Hello all. I am Professor MB Nigade from AISSMS IoT Pune from the Department of Engineering Science. Our today's topic is engineering core. In the engineering core, uh, the the point undergoes the two type of displacement. One is now the involute, cycloid, spiral, and helix. Involute, that is a involute of circle, that is string length is equal to pi d, that is circumference. Then string length is greater than that of pi d, means greater than that of circumference. String length is less than that of pi d, means three condition in involute under the circle. Then next is a pole having a composite shape also and a rod rolling over the semicircular pole. Then cycloid, that is general cycloid. Then next is a superior, that is called the trochoid. Then inferior also epicycloid and hypocycloid. Spiral, that is spiral of one convolution, spiral of two convolution, and the helix on cylinder and on cone. What is a cycloid first? It is a locus of a point on which the periphery of circle which rolls on straight line path. And involute, it is locus of a free end of a string when it is wound around the circular path. A similar type of wording will be asked in examination. In a spiral, it is a curve generated by the points which revolve around the fixed point at the same moves toward it. And helix is nothing but it curves is now generated by the point which move around the surface of right circular cylinder or cone at the same time the advances in axial direction at the speed is now the bearing at the end of the rotation is there. This is a helix. First, draw the involute of an equilateral triangle of 35 mm side. First, draw the equilateral triangle, then 35 mm side. Then how to draw the involute? The involute draw by using some perimeter, means 35 into 3 is because number of side of triangle is how much? 3. 35 into 3. Okay. Then this perimeter we are given. And 35 into 3, this perimeter line, this draw this horizontal line of a perimeter. Then 3 into 35. Then draw extension of one of the side of a triangle. Okay. Then this is also draw the extension. Then 35 mm. Okay. This radius is 35 mm. Okay. Then next is a 2 into 35. Then next arc is a 2 into 35. Then third arc is 3 into 35. And to complete the all the involute of equilateral triangle. The next is on the draw the involute of a square 25 mm side. Then how to draw the 25 mm side square? Everybody know that. Draw the one horizontal line and 90 degree to complete the square of 25 mm. And then perimeter of the square, that is nothing but the 4 into 25. This is the perimeter. 4 into 25 is 100. Then draw the extension line of every side. Then draw the arc. The radius is 25 first, 25 into 1. Next is 25 into 2 is nothing but the 50. Next is 25 into 3 is 75. And 25 into 4 is 100. Then to complete the involute of a square. The next is involute of circle. The first condition is string length is equal to the circumference of circle. Then you everybody know that the diameter, whenever they given the diameter of the circle, we can draw the by using some radius. And how to divide the circle? That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 8. We can divide the into the 8 equal parts. Then this is the pi d, that is circumference. Diameter they have given. This is circumference. This is a point. This is a p point. Then this AP is divided into the 8 equal parts. Okay. means the P and 8 point is exactly on one line. Then next draw the tangent at every point. Then take the distance of 1 to P in a compass. Draw the one arc is marked as P1. 2 to P taken in a compass. Draw the one arc on that vertical line. Then 3 to P. Then 4 to P. Then 5 to P and 6 to P and 7 to P. Then complete 8 to A. That is a P8 point. And draw the arc to complete the involute. This condition is pi d is equal to pi d is equal to string length. Second condition, string length is more than that of pi d. Same diameter, we are taken, divide the circle into the 8 equal parts. Then this is the pi d is greater than that of string length, that is 165 they have given. And then divide the circle into divide this horizontal line into the 8 equal parts again. Then draw the tangent on the circle. Then 1 to be taken in a compass. Draw the arc and to make involute. Okay. At the end point, some extension is there. Same third condition, that is string length is less than that of pi d. Then P point, pi d less than that of P. Pi d is now the greater than that of P, is less than pi d. Then divide this distance in 8 equal parts. Draw again tangent to the circle and take the distance 1 to P in compass, 2 to in compass, 3 to P in compass, 4 to in compass, 5 to P in compass, and draw the arc. And to complete the circle. Next is a cycloid. Draw the locus of a point on the periphery of circle which rolls on straight line path. Take a circle diameter of 50 mm and draw the normal and tangent on the curve at the point of 40 mm above the directing line. Okay, how much diameter? 50 mm. Draw the 20 mm radius diameter. Then draw the pi d. Then divide the circle into the 8 equal parts, 12 equal parts. Then from that point, we can draw the horizontal line exactly parallel to the pi d. 1 to 11 is one common line, 2 to 10 is one common line, 3 to 9 is one common line, 4 to 8 is one common line, 5 to 7 is one common horizontal line, and 6 also parallel to the pi d. And the rotation is clockwise. Then we take the P point exactly at the 12. Then divide this line, this pi d line, into the equal parts, 12 equal parts. And the shifting all this on the horizontal centers. We get the C1, C2, C3, C4, C5, C6, C7, C8, C9, C10, C11, and C12. Then C1 is the center. Now, how much radius? That is nothing but the 25 mm taken in a compass. C1 is now the center. Draw the one arc. The line is passing through the point of 1 to 11. Draw the one arc. Mark it is the first point. Second, C2 is the center. Same radius, 25 mm taken in a compass. C2 is radius. Draw the one arc passing through the point of 2 to 10. Then we get the second point. Then C3 is the center. Then radius is 25 again. Draw the one arc which are passing through the point of 3 to 9. Same C4, then C5, then C6, C7, C8, C9, C10, C11, C12. Then complete the arc. notation is important. P1, P2, P3, P4 up to the P12 and draw the arc. This is nothing but the cycloid. Okay, next is spiral. Draw the spiral of one convolutions. Take the distance P of 40 mm. The 40 mm radius were taken in compass and divide the circle into the 8 equal parts. The next is divide this radius into the center OP into the 8 equal parts. Then take the distance of O to 1 in a compass, draw the one arc. Then O to 2 taken in a compass, draw the another arc. Then O to 3 taken in compass and then another arc. O to 4, draw the one arc. O to 5 taken in compass, draw the another arc. O to 6 taken in compass, another arc. O to 7 is another arc. Then we get the different point here and to complete the spiral. Then spiral of two convolutions. The point P is 80 mm from the point O. It start moving toward the O and reach it to the two revolution around it and draw the locus of point P. Then everybody know that this is a 40 mm radius were taken. Then divide this into the 16 equal parts. We say that is 1 to 16. First one, take the 0, that is a O point to 1 point, draw the one arc. Then O to 2 taken in a compass, draw the another arc. Same like 3, 4 up to the 16. And then we get the different point up to the 1 to 16. And this is a 2 convolution we are getting to complete the spiral of 2 convolution. Okay, thank you very much for listening my video. Thank you.